Number 3, swine influenza, IAV-S. And this is the one where you need to think about yourself, not just the pigs, because this one's zoonotic. What you see, a barking cough, and I mean it genuinely sounds like a dog, not a pig. Sudden onset, sneezing, labored breathing, red, inflamed eyes, fever of 104 to 107, pigs off feed, lethargic, piled up and refusing to move. The signature of flu is speed. Within 24 to 48 hours of introduction, most of the barn is showing signs at the same time. Morbidity up to 100% in naive groups. Basically, everybody gets sick, but mortality is low in uncomplicated cases, and they recover in 5 to 7 days. The danger isn't the flu itself, it's the secondary bacterial pneumonia that follows. 4 subtypes are active in U.S. herds right now: H1N1, H1N2, H3N2, and H3N1, per USDA APHIS surveillance of the fiscal year 2025. Now, the zoonotic piece. IAV-S can infect people through direct contact with pigs, and it is the #1 source of variant influenza in humans in the U.S. CDC links nearly all those cases to pig exposure at agricultural fairs. So wash your hands after any pig contact, stay away from pigs if you're sick yourself, and get your seasonal flu shot. That last one matters because co-infection is how you get reassortment. Diagnosis. PCR on nasal swabs is fast and sensitive. Submit fresh lung plus nasal swabs to the state lab for the full workup. And subtype and culture before you treat, because secondary bacteria are what actually kills pigs. Treatment. No approved antivirals in swine. Supportive care. NSAIDs for fever if it's warranted. Antimicrobials only when secondary bacterial pneumonia is confirmed or strongly suspected. And make sure they can get to water. Febrile pigs dehydrate fast. Prevention. Commercial and autogenous vaccines. And autogenous is often more protective because of how many subtypes circulate. Tight biosecurity at fairs and exhibitions. Isolate incoming pigs and cut down nose-to-nose contact between pens during an outbreak. Sudden whole barn cough? That's a call your vet today situation. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more.